Welcome to New Zealand. Are you ready to explore one of the most beautiful and unique places on Earth? Today, we're taking you to the stunning land of New Zealand. Get ready to uncover 30 fun and fascinating facts about this incredible country that will leave you in awe. Home of the kiwi. The kiwi bird, a flightless bird and New Zealand's national symbol, is found only here. Interestingly, New Zealanders are also nicknamed Kiwis. Thanks to its location, New Zealand is one of the first countries in the world to see the sunrise each day. There are no native snakes in New Zealand, making it a paradise for those who fear them. New Zealand was the stunning filming location for The Lord of the Rings and The Hobbit trilogies. Hobbiton, a movie set, still exists and is a popular tourist spot. New Zealand is one of the few countries with two national anthems, God Defend New Zealand and God Save the King. There are more sheep than people in New Zealand, around 6 sheep for every person. New Zealand sits on 2 tectonic plates, making it one of the most seismically active countries in the world. The modern bungee jump was invented in New Zealand, and Queenstown is known as the adventure capital of the world. It has one of the longest place names in the world, Taumata Akatangiha Pukahenua Katanada. New Zealand declared itself nuclear-free in 1984, banning nuclear-powered ships from its waters. The Waitomo Caves are famous for their magical glowworms, creating an otherworldly experience. New Zealand has 3 official languages: English, Māori, and New Zealand Sign Language. The silver fern is an iconic symbol of New Zealand, representing its unique flora. The Hector's dolphin, found only in New Zealand waters, is the smallest and rarest dolphin species. Before humans arrived, the country had no native land mammals except for bats. This unique environment allowed birds to dominate the ecosystem, resulting in the evolution of many flightless and ground-dwelling birds like the kiwi, moa, and kakapo. New Zealand was the first country in the world to grant women the right to vote in 1893. The All Blacks, New Zealand's rugby team, are one of the most successful teams in sports history. The Māori people are the indigenous people of New Zealand, and their traditions, language, and art are integral to the country's identity. New Zealand has many active and dormant volcanoes, with Mount Ruapehu being one of the most active. About 30% of New Zealand's land is protected national parks, with Fiordland being one of the most famous. The kiwi fruit, originally known as the Chinese gooseberry, was renamed after the bird and is a major export. New Zealand's seasons are opposite to those in the Northern Hemisphere. Christmas here is in summer. Unlike many countries, tipping is not expected in New Zealand, though it's appreciated for exceptional service. New Zealand is a hotspot for whales, seals, and dolphins, with Kaikoura being a prime whale watching location. The Gisborne region celebrates the First Light Festival every New Year, as it's the first to welcome the new year. New Zealand and Australia both claim to have invented the pavlova dessert, but New Zealand firmly stands by its version. New Zealand is part of a mostly submerged continent called Zealandia, of which only 7% is above water. Wellington is the capital, but Auckland is the largest and most populous city. The kakapo, the world's heaviest parrot, is native to New Zealand and cannot fly. Milford Sound, located in Fiordland, is often called the eighth wonder of the world for its breathtaking scenery. So, which fact amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Please subscribe for more videos.